Welcome to the Founder Talk Show. In this episode, we are featuring Highlight by Sociorack, a unified information management and business collaboration platform rolled into one. Watch Major Sunil Shetty in conversation with Rajat Singhania, founder and CVO of Highlight by Sociorack.
Welcome to the Founder Talk Show, Mr. Rajat.
Thank you, Major. Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
Thank you for joining us. Let's start by understanding what's your company into.
Company's name is Sociorack, and we have launched a product called Highlight. So Highlight is a unified information management and business collaboration platform rolled into one. So we are a Make in India product. We are a unique solution, and we have patents filed in India, US, and a couple of other countries globally.
You have filed a patent and it is pending right now. What is that unique factor that is there in your solution that you filed a patent for? What my understanding is that it's very difficult to get patents for softwares.
Yes, of course. Getting a patent for software can be tricky, but it also depends which country you're filing a patent in. And every country has its own system and rules. Coming to my product, the uniqueness in our product, so to explain that to you, I'll take you to give an example or to illustrate the point. Now, we are all used to folders or directories to store and manage our files. And now imagine a world where you do not have folders and directories and you have to manage all your files. How easy or difficult does that sound, right? Some would be difficult, right? That is what I'm talking about. So the world has moved from 2D to 3D, 4D. So we are doing that for information. So we have always had folders. Now we are adding another element which we call tags. So tags help you interconnect pieces of information saved in multiple and different folders. So you could have 100 pieces of information or 100 files saved in 10 different folders of maybe 5 different formats, which can be interconnected by a single thread we call meta tag. And each piece of information can have 10 such meta tags, which is why we say we make your information 10 times more powerful.
As a layman who is not technologically as competent, how easy is it to use your solution? Is it just install it and integrate it across the platforms, or how does it work?
Let me ask you a question like, do you use email?
Yes.
And do you use any chat platform?
Yes, we do.
Any cloud storage?
We do as part of our work. Yes, we do.
And browsers?
Yes.
So if you can use these platforms, you'll have no problem using my product. In fact, our product is easier to use than any of these platforms I mentioned. So I just like to mention here, we took more than 3 years to get this product to users. And a significant part of the time we spent on making sure the front end is very easy, intuitive, and it's as easy, if not easier, than compared to the products we just spoke about. We have kept all the power at the back end and made sure that the front end is very simple and easy. So in fact, most people using a product for the first time cannot imagine that the product looks so simple and easy and it has so much power at the back. It's like difficult for them to understand at times. Product is very easy. That is not a problem for any user till now.
As a user, can I integrate your solution across devices and also different platforms? You have the iOS and the Android.
Sure. So when we started the product, we had a very clear basic thought that it has to be the go-to product, which means that it should work across Android, iOS, mobiles, desktops, tablets, laptops. In fact, one of the things we like to say as the use case for our product, let's say you're working in the office on your PC and you need to leave office or the office needs to close down, you just save it. You could continue working on your mobile. Once you reach your car, let's say you have a chauffeur driving it. The chauffeur is driving and you can continue working on your tablet. You reach home, you decide to open up your laptop and you can continue working. So that's how seamless the product is made to be, that you can work from multiple places. In fact, each login or each sign up of the user allows them to use the product from 5 different devices simultaneously. So you could be logged on to your account at 5 different places, and anything you do at one place shows up in real time in the other 4.
As I understand, it is also devised designed for use by individuals like me, not necessarily just businesses?
It's useful for anybody who deals with a lot of information, who's using multiple apps and products, and who values their time. So the most see, living in a digital world, we are all flooded with data and using multiple products. In fact, in a study, it was found out that all of us use a minimum of 10 apps on any given day. Now, imagine if we are using 10 different apps on any given day, how much data are we trying to absorb, process, or deal with? And how much of that will truly remain with us the next day, a week later, or a month later? That's where my product comes in. Because Highlight is designed to be a secured, structured, central repository to help you save and manage all your information that matters. So that once you see any information on any other platform, you can put it into Highlight. So you never need to go back. That is what our power is.
That's amazing. As a common man, one of the first things that we always ask is, what's the cost? So is it a subscription model? Is it one-time pay? And how much does it cost for a user, single user?
Sure. So before I get into the cost, let me just give you a little more detail about the product and where the power of the product lies. So then you'll understand when the cost when I come to the cost. So like I mentioned, we're a patent pending product and we do a few things which we are very unique. So the first one, like I mentioned, is a central repository to help you pull any and all information from any platform onto, which means we can handle a lot of formats of information. Now, cloud storage only handles X number of data formats, which is why we end up using other platforms. But on Highlight, besides the cloud storage or file formats you can manage reminders, calendars, chat conversations, even text notes on the same platform. So it's actually unification, managing all kinds of formats on the same platform. And so the first key thing we give you is a very easy and instant way to pull any information from any platform onto Highlight. Second, what I just spoke about earlier, the interlinking of information on multiple parameters. Now, currently, all your data is managed in a linear structured folders. We've converted that into a matrix as tags. And you can have multiple pieces of information, multiple folders interconnected. So that is the second big thing. Third is a very interesting thing. Finding information is a big challenge. In fact, there was a study done by Economic Times, I think, along with McKinsey, which found that on an average, every business loses 25% product. Crazy, right? 25% is like really
Yes,
crazy.
that is.
And at the time, all the users spend in saving, searching, organizing, and managing information. And Highlight is here to help you save a minimum assured 6.5, which amounts to just about 30 minutes per day. But when you add the numbers, you're looking at 140 hours per person per year, year on year. Just that much money, that much time can give you one long vacation which you want, time with the family or friends. So that is the tangible benefit which Highlight gives, significant saving of time. But I'm sure that there are a lot of ways to save time. But so that is the one you can measure. But then there are a lot of non-tangible benefits which have much greater value. Imagine the power of having all the information you need on your fingertips all the time. The reduction in your anxiety levels, stress levels when you're walking into a meeting, the confidence it gives you. Anything I want, it's there. Plus, the fact that since all the information is with you, it's interconnected, helps you do much better decision making because you're making decisions based on more complete information, not on some half-baked information. And better decision making would lead to better business growth, better profits. So it's like a complete solution, which is giving you a benefit on all fronts, saving you time, saving you money, making you more powerful to take better decisions, and helping you grow your business. Obviously, is something which we all want, right? So that is the kind of complete solution. Now, coming to the cost. So let me ask you a quick question before I get into the cost. What would you say is the cost of 1 hour of time for you?
Depends on what my boss pays me, but well, I would say about 500 rupees probably.
Fair enough. So it's safe to assume that for most people, 500 rupees per hour would be a safe amount. Anybody paying in the higher scale, it can go up to 5,000 rupees an hour, right? And some of the consultants and other specialized people, their bills are way more than 5,000 rupees an hour, right? So what if I told you I can, like I mentioned, I can save you 30 minutes a day We are looking at saving about 12 hours a month, right? So how much will you be willing to pay for that? I'm just trying to make it more interesting.
I can squeeze in my gym time into it, cycling time. A lot of things can be done into it. Exactly, I agree.
Absolutely. So our cost is 500 rupees per user per month or 5,000 per year. So you save 2 months if you pay for a year. Now that is an individual user cost or for low volume. But if we are looking at the business and they have a big number, these numbers can go down significantly. So the idea is that we are here to give you a holistic solution which takes care of solving a significant problem which we all deal with, which is called too much information. So we help you deal with that problem without letting it compromise your ability and efficiency of doing your day-to-day work.
One of the major things that we see in the past few months is about privacy and security. How are how would you assure the listeners that their data is secured with you and you are maintaining the privacy?
Obviously, no talk about any data platform would be complete if we do not talk about data privacy and security. So we have a few things on that front as well. So number one, we give all our users the option to have the entire data hosted on a server of their choice, preferably cloud. Local server is also possible, but we do not recommend for latency, speed, and a lot of other reasons. Now, if you see, I don't think any other platform gives you the option to have the entire data on your server. So that is one of the key things which we do, because we are not here to sell you cloud storage. We are here to sell you technology to make you work better and earn better. Secondly, there's a huge challenge for all business. Again, I'll quote a study which I read about. I think Gartner did the study, which said that more than 70% employees accept to taking business data when they change jobs. Now, I'm sure you can understand if 70% people are accepting it, the actual number would be way higher. There are two problems which happen when an employee walks away with your business data. Firstly, the employee has data they should not have.
Yeah.
And secondly, many times the business itself doesn't have some of that data. So on Highlight, we have a solution for that. So the business admin can instantly, remotely pull back all data from any user's account or device. Not only can they pull it back, because if they pull it back, the employee will not have the data and the company has the data. So not only can they pull it back, they can reassign it and give it to the new user who joins in their place. So that takes care of some other problem because it shortens your learning curve or settling in curve for the new employee. Knowledge transfer continuity, removing the gap when it goes from the old employee to new employee, because the entire data from day one with all the organized structure in place, including all communication, reminder, calendar, everything goes from the old user to the new. So the new user can become efficient and productive way sooner than they would do now. Just imagine if normally a new employee would need 30 days to get optimal. If we are just able to save even 10 days of that, what's the cost of that for you or any organization? Because one is the money cost, the other is the opportunity cost by saving time. Second big thing we allow, and this entire data transfer can be done in less than 5 minutes. It's not something which is complicated, and it's really simple and easy. And the third thing is, today, let's say you need to send me any information. The only way you can send it to me, you'll either email it or send it to me on a chat platform, right? And once you send it to me, I am free to use this information as I please. I can send it to any number of people. Yes. And you will have no way of stopping me from that, right? Now, what if I said on Highlight, we give you, the sender, the power to decide whether I, as recipient, can reshare and re-forward any information received from.
That would be of interest to companies, definitely.
Yeah, so that is one of our killer feature. So you as a business can decide who, where, and how your business data can be used. We do a lot of things. We have a multi-level password protection. We have end-to-end encryption. There are a lot of things we have. In fact, our feature list is pretty long because we are a complete solution. But I'm just talking about a few key things which address some of the biggest problems we all face as individuals and businesses.
I would like to know from you, we as a channel, MyServe TV, the channel for entrepreneurs and startups like yours, What are your thoughts about this channel?
Well, thank you for inviting me. Thank you for this opportunity to reach out to your audience and tell them about what we are doing. And I'm very happy to be part of it. And I do end up doing a few talks for mentoring students, aspiring entrepreneurs, people looking to do a startup. And I always share a few things with them. Like if you're looking to do a startup, a few things is always you should know how to hustle. Don't expect things to come to you. You have to go and get things. Find real problems, not something you think is a problem, and find a solution which is people will pay for, is sustainable, and it will work. And I think your channel is doing a great job by showcasing various startups and various founders doing that. So good job. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Rajat. Thank you very much for joining us. And we look forward to hosting you on one of our panel talks relevant to your industry. Thank you.